Good morning, students. Now the topic demographic transition theory. Demographic transition theory is given by Thomson, Notestein, and Peter Haggett. Demographic transition theory is given by Thomson, Notestein, and Peter Haggett. This theory is about the demographic transition in the population. Demographic transition in the population. From the beginning, the population of the world is very low, and here the development of the population in different type. Clear. Demographic transition theory is used to describe the population of any area, estimated of population future. For here now about the population future, we studied about the demographic transition theory. The population, illiterate population, rural population, farmer population after the demographic transition convert in educated, urban and industrial. Okay, here first the illiterate person. Clear. Here illiterate person convert in the educated, then rural person convert in the urban, and the farmer convert in the industrial person, yeah, labor. Clear. What happened here? Then here the development, then education facilities also increase, then illiterate person convert in the educated. जो लोग इलिटरेट क्या हो रहे हैं, एजुकेटेड हो रहे हैं. देन हियर द रूरल, जो रूरल रीजन में रहते हैं, ठीक है, तो रूरल रीजन में फार्मर, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री ऐसे वर्क है. बट अब जैसे एजुकेटेड होते जाते हैं तो क्या करते हैं, चेंज होते हैं एंड दे सेटल इन द अर्बन. एंड द फार्मर्स, और द फार्मर्स हैं एजुकेटेड हो गए, ठीक है. एजुकेटेड के बाद क्या करेंगे, फार्मर्स के जो सन्स हैं, ठीक है, उनकी जो जनरेशन है एजुकेटेड होने के बाद कन्वर्ट इन द इंडस्ट्रियल एंड द सर्विस सेक्टर लेबर. क्लियर. तो ऑल दिस हैपन हियर द illiterate, rural, farmer change in the educated, urban and industrial after the demographic transition. ठीक है. तो this theory is emphasized on here कि illiterate person convert in educated, rural, farmer convert in urban and the industrial. Okay. This change in the population takes place in the different stages. तो here ऐसा नहीं कि one time में ऐसे illiterate educated में convert हो गया. No. Here the different stages. Here the is different. This is the tribal human. The tribal human convert in the developed human. The tribal human convert in the developed human. So here the 5 stages. You know considered also the 5 stages, and some geographer like here the Blaker, Simon and Bergdorfer. Blaker, Simon, Bergdorfer also. Blaker, Simon, Bergdorfer also give the express their views about the stages of the demographic transition theory. Stages of the demographic transition theory. This theory is given by Thomson, Notestein and Peter Haggett, and express their views about the demographic transition theory. The name of geographer is Blaker, Simon and Bergdorfer. Blaker, Simon and Bergdorfer. Clear. And here the 5 stages. 5 stages. First stage here, high birth rate and the high death rate. First stage, high death rate and the high birth rate. What happened? High death rate here, high birth rate. Here the low education and the low medical facilities. Due to low education, the population, due to low population here due to low education, the birth rate is very high, and the death rate also high because here they not provide the medical facilities. And here the population growth, but not in major part. Clear. Here the country like Sudan, Ghana and Congo. Country like Sudan, Ghana and Congo include in this first stage before the 2000 AD. Now the present time here in first stage only the tribal groups. Second, high birth rate and high death rate. High birth rate and high death rate, but death rate is decreasing. Death rate starts decreasing. Here the education facility is low and the medical facility is low, so here the high death rate and the high birth rate, but at last here the medical facilities start. Population provide here medical facilities, then here the death rate start to decreasing. Like here the Sudan, Ghana, Congo, Angola, all these African all these African countries are included in सेकंड स्टेज आर इंक्लूडिंग द बैकवर्ड कंट्रीज ओनली ना, अफ्रीका की कंप्लीट नहीं, अफ्रीकन कॉन्टिनेंट की बैकवर्ड कंट्रीज लाइक सूडान, घाना, कांगो, अंगोला, नाइजर, ठीक है, ऑल दीज कंट्रीज आर इंक्लूड इन द सेकंड स्टेज आफ्टर द 2000 AD। क्लियर। नंबर थर्ड, हाई बर्थ रेट एंड मीडियम डेथ रेट। हाई बर्थ रेट इन दिस स्टेज थर्ड, हाई birth rate here, education facility is not provided properly, so here high birth rate and medium death rate and medical due to medical facility, availability of the medical facility, here death rate is decreasing and here found the medium death rate. India, Pakistan, Nepal countries are included in this third stage. So what happened here, the growth of population is very high। ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, हाई बर्थ रेट, ठीक है, देन हियर द मीडियम डेथ रेट। इसका जो रिजल्ट होगा क्या होगा, पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ। इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, नेपाल आर इंक्लूड इन दिस थर्ड स्टेज। नेक्स्ट हियर द मीडियम बर्थ रेट, एजुकेशन फैसिलिटी इंक्रीज एंड द पीपल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द हाई पॉपुलेशन या population are the unfavorable and here lack of resources, so the population control here and the many program related to the family welfare organized, then here start control on birth rate, so medium birth rate and low death rate and medical facility provided easily, then here start लो डेथ रेट। अब क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, डेथ रेट लो हो गई। इसका रीजन क्या है, मेडिकल फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल हो रही इजीली, लाइक चाइना, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड इंक्लूड इन दिस ग्रुप नंबर 4। नंबर 5 ग्रुप नो हियर द स्टेज नंबर 4 एंड नंबर 5 स्टेज लो बर्थ रेट, हियर लो बर्थ रेट एंड लो death rate, education facility and the medical facility provide here the easily and then here low birth rate and the low death rate here world Japan, Russia and the western European countries like Germany, England, ठीक है, France, Italy also include in the stage number 5। so what happened here, constant fear or decrease in the population। यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, कंस्टेंट फियर ऑफ द डिक्रीज पॉपुलेशन, यानी पॉपुलेशन जितनी भी है ना उससे भी कम होने का यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, फियर ऑफ हियर डिक्रीज इन द पॉपुलेशन, यानी पॉपुलेशन डायरेक्ट हम बोल सकते हैं कि नेगेटिव पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ इन कंट्रीज इंक्लूड इन द फिफ्थ स्टेज। हियर आर द मेडिकल डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज, ऑल दीज आर हियर द डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज आर इंक्लूड इन number 5 stage। Clear? Again here repeat this theory, demographic transition theory given by the Thomson, Nordhaus and Peter Hager। Illiterate person convert in the educated, rural in urban and farmer convert in the industrial after the demographic transition। After the demographic transition, UNO and many other provide the views about the stages of the demographic transition theory, like here the Blaker, Simon, Bergdorfer also express their views about demographic transition theory। Here the 5 stages in this theory, first high birth rate and the high death rate due to here lack of education and the lack of medical facilities। Sudan, Ghana, Congo are included before the 2000 AD here, ठीक है, and here the population growth, नॉर्मल पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ इन दिस है ना, या तो पॉपुलेशन इक्वल है या थोड़ा सा क्या हो रहा है, इसमें इंक्रीज हो रहा है। क्लियर। एंड नंबर सेकंड ग्रुप, high birth rate and the high death rate, but it started decreasing। the second Sudan, Ghana, Congo, Niger, all these backward countries of the Africa convert include in the second stage after 2000 AD। here the low education and low medical facilities, but at last here the medical facilities available, then here start the here death rate decreasing, death rate started decreasing। क्लियर। अब यहाँ पे भी क्या होगा, स्टार्ट हियर ग्रोथ इन पॉपुलेशन बढ़ने स्टार्ट हो रही है यहाँ पे, है ना। थर्ड स्टेज हाई बर्थ रेट एंड मीडियम डेथ रेट। तो ड्यू टू हियर नॉट प्रॉपर हियर द एजुकेशन फैसिलिटी, सो हियर हाई बर्थ रेट एंड प्रोवाइड हियर द मेडिकल फैसिलिटी, सो medical death rate is decline here। the medium death rate found India, Pakistan, Nepal, all these countries are approximately the developing countries are included in this third stage, and here the condition is population growth increasing in this third stage countries। population growth वहाँ पे ज्यादा हो रही है ना, यानी कि यहाँ पे जनसंख्या क्या होगी, population ज्यादा होगी, population found maximum in these countries have the stage in third. Next, medium birth rate and low death rate. Medium birth rate and low death rate. China, Australia, New Zealand. Medium birth rate, education facility provided here, and the high medical facilities. So here population increase, but in low speed. China, Australia, and New Zealand included in this fourth stage. Low death rate and low birth rate. Low birth rate and low death rate. So here education facilities and the medical facilities availabilities increase, and Japan, Russia, and Western European countries are included in the 5 stage. Constant fear डिक्रीज इन द पॉपुलेशन के डिक्रीज होने का यहाँ पे फियर है, ठीक है। ऑल दिस 5 स्टेजेस। और एक बार हम क्या करेंगे, डायग्राम के अकॉर्डिंग नेक्स्ट जो हमारी क्लास उसमें और अच्छे से इसको रिकॉल करेंगे।